All right, it's Unit 6, Day 5. We are halfway through the unit at this point. Today we are going to do a checkup. As you know, checkups are for a grade. However, as always, we're going to start with our Just Start. So go ahead and pause this video if you need to and grab a sheet of paper. And Just Start today is a little different. The directions are in Google Classroom. It's actually on a Google Doc. What you need to do is go and open that doc. On it, there is a list of about 10 phrases. Each phrase has at least one word that has a suffix in it. Go through each phrase, choose the word that has a suffix, and mark that word. So we know that we underline base words, circle suffixes. If a base word has more than one syllable, I want you to scoop the syllables and circle the suffix. So go ahead, get in Google Classroom, pull up your Just Start. It's 10/9/2020 Just Start, and get to work. Okay, this is what you should have marked. Miss Franklin cheated. She did not write the whole phrase. Ha ha ha. Just the words that have the suffixes. Pause your screen if you need to. These are the words that should be marked. Biggest thing I want you all to take away is, notice I did not scoop a single suffix. Suffixes are not syllables. Suffixes are not syllables. Suffixes are not syllables. I cannot say it enough. Remember, suffixes are just those attachments that we slap on the base words to change the function or the form. So go ahead, pause the screen if you need to, double check your work. Okay, and then the next thing we're going to do, the final thing we're going to do, this is for a grade. Dictation today is for a grade. This is your checkup. Same as yesterday and Wednesday. I'm going to do 3 sounds, 2 review words, 2 nonsense words, 6 current words, 4 phrases, and 2 sentences. So, starting with sounds, and remember, run the video back as much as you need to make sure that you hear everything. Sound number 1, write the letters that makes the full suffix. Write the letters that makes the full suffix. Remember, full is a little tricky. I almost gave y'all the answer. Write the letters that makes the full suffix. Sound number 2, write the letter that makes the eh sound. Eh. Sound 3, write the letter or letters. You have a lot of options here. Write whatever you want that makes the k sound. So for sounds, you had full, you had eh, and you had k. All right, moving on to review words. These are concepts that we have already mastered and moved on from. Your first review word is swing. Swing. Could you swing by here on your way out? Swing. Review word number 2 is mall. Let's go to the mall on Saturday. Mall. First nonsense word is, tap this out if you need to. Nonsense words, of course, are not real words. However, they are still capable of being tapped out. Scrant. Scrant. I can't put this in a sentence for you because it is not real. Scrant. Nonsense word number 2 is Van Beth. Van Beth. Remember, tap it out, repeat after me. That will help you spell these right. All right, your first current word. All of these current words, of course, have suffixes. Your first one, remember, build the base word first and then add the suffix. Limitless. Limitless. She was so smart, she had a limitless list of colleges she could attend. Limitless. Current word number 2 is fistful. Fistful. He got a fistful of candy when he went trick-or-treating. Fistful. Oh, my nose is itchy. Current word number 3 is caller. Caller. The 9th caller will win a prize. Caller. Think about what welded sound. All. Caller. Current word number 4 is longest. Longest. This has been the longest week ever. Longest. Current word 5, quickened. Quickened. Now, quickened has 2 suffixes, so think about it. Build the base word first. Quickened. She quickened her pace when her teacher told her to hurry up. Quickened. Repeat after me. Think about what your tongue is doing on that last sound. Quickened. And then your final current word is selfish. Selfish. It was very selfish of you to not ask the class if they wanted a piece of candy. Selfish. Moving into phrases. Phrase number 1. Remember, these are just bits and pieces of sentences. I'm not looking for capitalization or punctuation. Ran the polisher. Ran the polisher. Phrase 2. Quicker than most. Quicker than most. All right, phrase 3. Find the pinkest. Find the pinkest. 4. The milder smell. The milder smell. All right, and then finally sentences. Now on sentences, I am looking for proper capitalization, proper punctuation. Sentence number 1. Find the wildest pink dress for the prom. Find the wildest pink dress for the prom. And then sentence number 2. Their publisher could send a draft. Their publisher could send a draft. So that is your Unit 6 checkup. Remember, it is for a grade. Go ahead and complete that. I am on the live meet if you need help with anything. If not, have a fabulous weekend.